Today, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of mammals. From tiny little shrews to big giant whales, mammals are diverse and can be found in nearly every corner of the earth. But what exactly makes a mammal, you ask? And why are mammals divided into three separate categories? Well, let's find out. Firstly, let's check out the key characteristics that set mammals apart from other animals. Mammary glands. One of the defining features of mammals is the presence of mammary glands, which produce milk to nourish their young. The words mammal and mammary actually come from the Latin word mamma, meaning breast. Hair or fur. Most mammals have some form of hair or fur covering their bodies. This provides insulation, protection, and can also serve as a sensory organ. Warm-blooded. Mammals are warm-blooded, meaning they can regulate their internal body temperature independently of the external environment. This allows them to thrive in a wide range of habitats. Mammals can party in the Arctic or chill in the desert without breaking a sweat or freezing their tails off. Live birth. The majority of mammals give birth to live young, as opposed to laying eggs. Notice that I said majority, because to make matters a bit more interesting, there are a few exceptions which we'll explore shortly. Diaphragm. Mammals have a muscle called a diaphragm which separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. This aids in breathing by increasing the space in the chest to allow for lung expansion. The diaphragm is the only feature that all mammals possess and that no mammal could live without. Here's a last look at the defining characteristics of mammals that we discussed. Now that we know some defining characteristics, let's take a look at the three different categories of mammals. Monotremes. Monotremes are a unique group of mammal found primarily in Australia and New Guinea. These egg-laying rebels are like the cool kids at the mammal party. They lay eggs and are the only group of mammals to do so. Platypus, echidnas, I'm talking about you. Marsupials. Marsupials are most commonly found in Australia and South America, although one species is also found in North America. Marsupials give birth to relatively undeveloped young, which then complete their development in an external pouch known as a marsupium. This pouch provides a safe environment for the young to continue growing and developing. They're like the multitasking moms of the mammal world, giving birth to tiny, undercooked babies and then tucking them into their very own built-in pouches. Kangaroos, koalas, possums, you know the drill. Placentals. Last but not least, we've got the placentals. Placental mammals make up the largest group of mammals and are distinguished by their development of a placenta during pregnancy. The placenta allows for the exchange of nutrients and waste products between the mother and the developing fetus, resulting in more advanced development. Talk about womb service. Placental mammals are incredibly diverse and can be found in virtually every habitat worldwide. Some examples of placentals include humans, dogs, elephants, and whales. Here's a last look at the three categories of mammals. So, there you have it. While all mammals share certain key characteristics, the three respective categories of mammals, egg-laying monotremes, pouch-bearing marsupials, and placenta-having placentals, all have their own adaptations and reproductive strategies that help them thrive in various environments. Mammals surely are fascinating. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, subscribe to my channel and check out the link in the description to access a free downloadable PDF on my blog, The Field Guide. Until next time, keep adventuring, keep exploring, and keep wondering about the wild world.